Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Jim, your RV specialist. Hey Jim, so what do you want to show me?
We're doing a comfort ride on this, and I noticed there's holes in the dust boots here.
Okay.
And so we also noticed there's grease all around this portion of the hub. Not so much on this one, but a lot more on the other side.
Okay.
We had recommended last time that this customer came through a few months ago that we should pull the drums and check for grease contamination. He didn't want it done at the time. There were no holes in the caps at the time, but now 3 of them have holes.
Wow. So heat.
And so there's a good possibility the brakes are grease contaminated.
Yeah.
So I guess that just, goes to show that if something's recommended, you might want to follow through, because once he gets grease in there, he's going to lose a lot of braking.
He's going to lose the braking power, yeah. Mm-hmm. So, we're here at California RV Specialist, but we go on YouTube as your RV Specialist, and we do these videos to kind of help educate the consumers. Jim has been doing, mechanic repairs for, I don't know, how many years have you been doing mechanic work?
45.
45 years, right? So when Jim says, hey guys, that's a no-no, or something's wrong, you need to listen up. Just in this previous video, we just removed, we're getting ready to replace the suspension on here with a comfort ride. And when they took apart all this hardware back here, literally the bushings are completely missing from the springs. All the suspension components have so much play in them. Look how much play that has. That was just an accident waiting to happen. So thank goodness this guy came in and decided to listen to us and to replace the suspension components. They're just completely worn out. Even the center hole on this one is worn out where it was moving up and down on the actual leaf spring hanger. So you got lucky, and hopefully the rest of you that are seeing this information, heed our warnings. You can see where the spring clip even broke loose and the springs were starting to fan, and you can see where the springs were starting to stretch, to basically there was too much weight on it. So stay tuned for more as we go ahead and replace this with the Roadmaster Comfort Ride Kit. And again, the guys are bringing attention all the wear and tear and damage. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already joined us, Grand Design RV owners in the RV shop with Dustin and the crew, check us out. We've got lots of pictures, videos, posts of what we deal with on a daily basis. Hey Cherry.
Hey, what's going on?
So it's just, our warning and advice to you. We're here to help you. We're here to help you keep traveling safe. And we want to make sure that you stay on the road and that you don't also jeopardize the lives of anybody else. Imagine if one of those leaf spring bushings or bolts would have broke loose. You're now going to lose your axles. The 2 tires are going to hit into each other, and it could cause you to flip this thing or get in a wreck, especially if you're having to come down a hard hill or you're making a hard braking situation. So please heed to our advice. And, it's not an issue for us, a sales tactic. It's not a workflow thing. We got plenty of business. We also, if you didn't know, we also do a lot of lawsuit stuff, and I also fly around to other states to go inspect coaches. So, whether it's something that you as the consumer did, or something that the dealership did, or something that the manufacturer did, I'm here to help all 3 sides, because none of us are always right. Even we make mistakes. We do a lot of preaching to our guys, and we do a lot of classroom time to make sure that we don't have issues. And, I also preach a lot about, how this is the second biggest investment other than your house, or in some cases, this is your biggest investment because it is your house. So we want to take care of you, and we want you to take care of us and those around you on the road. So travel safe. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and we will try to, help better educate the community. Thanks so much for watching.